Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Beyond, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the FFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the FFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the app, you will see the data page. Now tap on device icon, and here you should see your Beyond watch on the device page. Now find the notification option and tap on it. If you see any pop-ups about the permissions, you need to allow them because they're required for the notifications to work. So if you see this, tap on determine. It will redirect you to notification access. Here find the FFit application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and go back to the app by tapping on back button. Okay, and now we can enable and disable notifications for specific apps and features. As you can see, we have them on the list right here. You can do it for incoming calls, incoming SMS, LinkedIn, Skype, Twitter, WhatsApp, and stuff like that. And once you enable the notifications for the app, basically how it works is, let's say you enable it for WhatsApp and you receive the notification from WhatsApp on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch if the option is enabled. If it's disabled, you will only see the notification on your phone. It won't be forwarded to your watch. That's how it works. Okay, and once you're done customizing your preferences, you can go back or close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive the phone notifications on your watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.